Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Copilot AI in mobile. So first of all, what you have to do is open Google Play Store or App Store on your phone. And type Microsoft Copilot and you will see this application from Microsoft Corporation. It is named as Microsoft Copilot. Simply click on install and install this application on your phone. Once the app has been installed, simply click on open. Now this app will open. Click on allow your device location. Click on allow notifications. So you can also click on the sign in button, which is on the top right corner, and sign in with your Microsoft account. But you can also use Microsoft Copilot without signing in with your account. So I will ask, how are you? I will hit enter. As you can see, it is giving me suggestions and answers without signing in with my Microsoft account. And there are also some options. For instance, if I click on this plus button, I can also upload a photo from my phone. And for instance, I will show you how it works. So in order to use this option, I have to continue with Microsoft account. So I have to sign in. If I want to use image, I can also use Microsoft Copilot to generate images. For instance, I will ask generate an image of a futuristic city. As you can see, for the full experience, we need to sign in with the Microsoft account. So I will click on continue with Microsoft account and I will enter the credentials. Now, once I'm signed in, I will ask that same prompt again. Generate an image of a futuristic city. As you can see, we can also use Microsoft Copilot to generate text to image. So that's basically how you can use Microsoft Copilot on mobile. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.